So we're here with Dr. James Augustine in Buena Park, California at his business Ahead to Wellness. And one of the things we're asking today is how long have you been using Pulse PMF equipment? And what is your favorite Pulse PMF accessory?
Okay, wow. Not really sure on the time frame, maybe 17-ish years.
Wow.
Yeah, it's strange to think that I've been using it that long because I'm only like 21. So, no, it's just been the most exciting thing that I've ever discovered and ever used. My most favorite accessory, well, I joke about what I call the prostate pad. It's about a 2-foot square pad. And I always tell men that it's an eyebrow raising experience because it really is. You put someone who has prostate issues on this pad, make them sit on it, and oh my goodness, it changes things. It really does. So that's been a spectacular piece that I like. But I would say that the paddles are probably my favorite because I use really focused work and it can be really, really intense as compared to, say, the full body pad, the bed, that sort of thing. So it's been a really, really, I would say that, yeah, definitely the paddles, because you can focus it on the liver, you can double it up and do the spine really, really well, double the pads up in the back and do the spine really well. I do the brain with it. So we really like to focus on in areas to get people to heal completely. So
Perfect.